Okay, again, in this we have to see how many nodes are there, right? So, 1, 2, 3. This is a single node. Don't consider it as a different node. That's why they have given you to confuse only. As you can see, there is no element connected between these 2 points now. So it is the same node. Okay. So this is the same node. Let us consider VA. Let us consider VB. You can draw it like this also. You can remove simply this wire to eliminate the confusion. This is VC. Okay. This one is grounded. Now these see what they have asked. Find the power supplied by 2 ampere. So can I say that power is equal to V into I? I is how much? 2 ampere, and current in to the 2 ampere is sorry, voltage across the 2 ampere is how much? VA, correct or not? So if we'll get the value for VA, then can we get the power? Hmm? Okay. Now C will mark the current according to the different direction according to our convenience. So for node A, what would be the incoming current? Tell me. This is node A. First tell me the current equation. Which current is entering into node VA and which current is leaving the node VA? 2 is equal to I1 plus, and I1 is how much? VA minus VB minus 2 divided by 1. Okay, you are moving from VA to VB, not VB to VA. Then I3 is how much? It is moving from, so it would be VA minus VC divided by 2. Okay, now the next case is node B. Current is how much? I1 is equal to I2 plus I5, right? Now tell me I1 is how much? Same as we have done it above, VA minus VB minus 2 by 1. I2 is how much? Now tell me about I2, because here you can I2 is supernode. As you can see, there is no resistor, right? So I2 is I2 only. I5 is how much? VB minus VC divided by, correct? Whenever there is no resistance in any wire, that node is known as supernode. So VB to 0. As you can see that there is no resistance, right? So we have to make one equation extra from the supernode, and this will remain, I2 will remain as it is. Because if we'll convert I2 is V by R is zeros and current would be infinite, that would not be possible now. So whenever there is no resistance, don't write down resistance as 0. Consider it as current only. Got it? And what equation you will get it from the supernode? That is VB minus 0 minus 5 is equal to 0. As you can see, current is moving from VB to 0. So that's why it would be VB minus 0. And we have to take the second sign of the battery. Second sign of the battery is negative, so minus 5. In the supernode equation, we don't use current and we don't use resistance. Only voltage will be there. So from here, we can conclude that VB would be equal to 5 volt. Right? Clear? Now at node C, current I5 is equal to I4 plus I6. Now I5 we have already calculated, VB minus VC by 4. Tell me about I4. Acha. Second sign is positive or negative? Let's say divided by 3. Don't do this silly mistakes. Okay. Single, minus, and plus will make your mark, right? This is a 4 marks question. Now tell me about I6. Now VB we already know, V and VC we can get it by solving, right?